Hello everyone, this is Niyati, and in this video we learn how to conduct an effective parent interaction at the end of a demo session. I'll be taking the role of a mentor and showing how to keep the interaction structured, warm, professional and aligned with our quality standards. Before I begin the demonstration, let's discuss the complete flow. Once you finish the student segment, once you wrap up this session with student by appreciating their effort, summarizing what was covered, and closing it by calling. By asking them to call their parents. So, we are going to then start with the parent interaction as soon as they join by greeting them warmly, interacting them in exchanging the introduction, and then checking whether they were able to observe the session or not. If they observe the session, directly ask their feedback. If they didn't observe, then first you should summarize what was covered throughout the session and then you can ask their feedback. After listening carefully, share your own observation about the child, something they did well, something it's like how they interacted, how they performed, and gently. And also you can add the areas which need improvement, delivered in a positive manner. And then ask two or three academic related questions to understand the child better, such as how they are performing in school. Is there any topic they find challenging, or means what his or her learning style is. Okay, this will help you to connect with the parent and support your explanation of our teaching approach. Then by briefly explaining how our one is to one session works, that our teaching approach goes beyond the bookish knowledge, you can finally conclude it smoothly by handing over, by informing them that the academic counselor is going to take over this session now. Okay, and if you have any query, he or she may resolve it. Okay, and by requesting them to stay over the call, you can take a leave. So now I hope the flow is clear to you, and now I'll demonstrate how this entire interaction should sound in a real demo session. Hi there, lovely to have you here today. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you are doing well. Yeah, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Niyati, the mentor who conducted today's session with Sarah. Yeah. Before I share how the class went, I'd like to know about you a little, and I'd like to know about your expectations as well. So could you please give your quick introduction? Okay. So thank you so much, Lisa, for sharing that. And I, yes, completely agree with you that Sarah is really curious and responsive, and she was engaged throughout the session, and she showed great understanding and great interest when we worked on topic fraction, and she attempted all the questions with a lot of confidence. I truly appreciate her willingness to work on, to think and try. Okay, yeah. So, to understand her learning style better, may I ask how she's currently performing in her school, and are there any topics where she's feeling she needs support? Okay, okay, yeah. All right. Thank you so much for sharing that, and it really helps me understanding her. It really helps me understanding her learning style better. So since the sessions are one is to one, customized as per every child's requirement and every child's pace, comfort, and their understanding. And I usually start my sessions by strengthening their basics and gradually build conceptual clarity step by step. So during the sessions, I use questions, visuals, and also interactive method to make sure that they truly understand why behind each and every concept, rather than memorizing. As we know this thing that mathematics is not a theoretical subject, and my goal is always to help my student developing their clarity, confidence, and consistency in their thinking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. Means overall, I genuinely enjoy teaching her today, and she was so attentive, enthusiastic, and open to learning. And I love these qualities, and it helped me. It really helped her. It is definitely these qualities are going to help her in progress in the in the upcoming sessions as well. Yeah. So now, Liza, I want to take a leave. I'll hand over this call to our academic counselor who will guide you with your further queries. Okay. And as I have another meeting to join shortly, and I love to be punctual. So it's like, thank you so much for joining. It was wonderful interacting with both you and Sarah. So thank you so much. I wish you the best and wishing you a lovely day ahead. All right. Thank you. All right, so I hope this helped you understand the right tone, structure, and flow to follow. Remember, take feedback first, share your observation clearly, use parents' name instead of referring them as ma'am or sir, avoid salesy language, and always maintain warm and professional tone. With consistent practice, your interaction will become smoother and more confident. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best.